video, we're going to be talking about Marcus app not working and what are the easy troubleshooting steps. So first things first, there are multiple reasons why you could be facing this problem. Let's start with the internet connection. I want you to go ahead and check your internet connection by simply going into your mobile data or cellular and then trying to open it. If it opens, your Wi-Fi is not stable. You could also try to simply turn on and turn off the airplane mode in order to go ahead and quickly reset your network. As you can see, if that also doesn't work, what you want to do is simply head into App Store and then search for Marcus, just like that. And once you've done that, click on the application, and where it says open for me, it could say update if your application is not updated, and just go ahead and update it. If that also doesn't work, then go ahead and try reinstalling the application. And if also that doesn't work, then try restarting your device, and that will surely go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.